Okay guys, what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be showing you the test with the Kromrey converter um, in the um, 8 coil version, or the Octo arm version. We have the 560 microfarad capacitor that's hooked up to the digital multimeter right now that is registering 0 volts. We have the dedicated power supply that is set for 31.7 volts or 31.8 volts at 0.75 amps. We have the DC analog ammeter that I'm going to be measuring, taking off the Kromrey, and also confirming just after doing the test with the power supply across the DC ammeter to ensure that you see that there's no discrepancy. When I'm going to be doing this test, everything's going to be done with these extremely fine wires. Again, that's part of a multi-strand pickup wire in 26 gauge, essentially, that have just taken a couple of strands out of this wire. That's what I'm going to be doing all the testing from with regard to what the Kromrey output is, as well as the dedicated power supply. I'm going to attempt to charge the capacitor using those fine wires. Sometimes the wind from the Kromrey can blow it, so if I short it out or arc it out, I apologize. I'm not trying to, but that is a possible consequence of this. As well, then I'll also take and I will light this 60 watt 120 volt bulb using the same very thin wires attached to this, again off the DC. So everything is coming off of the DC bridge rectifier. I'm not off the AC, and hopefully this will be of use. So here we go. I'm going to first start the Kromrey, and I'm going to test the DC ammeter using the analog ammeter, and we'll go from there. And just as a quick confirmation, I will first first start with the power supply and show you what it's registering. Okay. And again, just like before, I'm taking the leads off of here, and you have positive lead, negative lead. You see that's confirming approximately 0.75 amps. Okay. And the wires seem to go away. So now what we're going to do is the same thing with the Kromrey now. And hopefully we can focus in just a little bit better. You'll be able to see everything that we're doing here. Okay, here we go.